How to turn off voice control on iPhone. If you have access to your screen, then this will be very easy for you. For that, first of all, you have to launch your settings on your device. Once you are on your settings homepage, scroll down a little bit. There you will see accessibility option. Simply tap on it. Once you go through the accessibility, there you will see voice control option. Make sure that it is toggled off. Once you check that, go through side button and there make sure that click speed is set to default and press and hold to speak is set to off. Once you check both of this, you are done. But if you do not have access to the screen, then you have to assist with the voice to all of this instruction we just did. In this way, you can easily turn off voice control on iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.